Hello. Crest is the highest surface part of a wave and the lowest part of a wave is called trough. One complete cycle of a sine wave is equal to one wavelength. This is a sinusoidal wave. A cycle is one complete oscillation. This is a sine wave. And you see this is the equilibrium position. Maximum displacement of a particle from the equilibrium position is known as amplitude. The time period of a wave is the time taken by a particle to complete one oscillation or vibration. Lambda is the symbol of wavelength. The distance between two consecutive crests or troughs is known as wavelength. SI unit of wavelength is meter. Number of waves that pass a given point in 1 second is called frequency. SI unit of frequency is hertz or second inverse. Wave number is defined as the number of wavelengths per unit length. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Interference can be shown by light wave, radio wave, metro wave, etc. It is the combination of two or more waves of same frequencies to give a resultant wave whose distribution at each point in space is the algebraic or vector sum of disturbances at that point resulting from each interfering wave. In interference, two waves may superimpose to form a resultant wave of greater or lower or same amplitude, or you can say displacement of the particle is either reinforced or cancelled. Reinforced means strengthen. Let us do few examples on interference. You see here interference occurs. This interference is known as constructive interference. These two waves are in phase, they have same wavelength and frequency. You can say they have same time period. During interference, the net displacement becomes more, or you can say reinforced. Another example you see. Here two waves are drawn on the screen, but they are not in phase. So net displacement becomes 0, or you can say the amplitude becomes 0. This is a destructive interference. Here net displacement decreases